Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be doing the price action analysis on volatility 75 index. Alright, so I'll be going to the daily time frame, alright, where I normally like to do my analysis. Alright, I'll be breaking it down from the daily down to the 15-minute time frame, alright, where I'll be taking my entries. Alright, so without wasting much of our time, I'll be heading to the daily time frame. Now, as you can see here on the daily time frame, you can see that there is a trend line matching the downward movement. All right, so this shows that the market is in a downtrend currently. All right, from the daily. All right, so I'll be putting in some support and resistance zone to mark some possible resistance in the market. All right, so as you can see, market is kind of, you can see that market was in a downtrend. It broke through this support here, right, and it's kind of going for retest, which means that it's still going to sell more to the downside. All right, but this is the daily time frame, and as a scalper, there's a lot that will happen in the daily candle. All right, so I'll step down to the 4 hours time frame. Now here on the 4 hours time frame, this is what I'm seeing. You can see that this is the retest movement, all right, which is going to be an uptrend. It's going to be an uptrend on the 1 hour time frame. All right, so I'll be putting in some counter trend line. Now you can see that there is this movement here on the 1 hour time frame. I'm going to be explaining it. Now you can see that previously price was moving with this counter trend line here, right? There was an upward movement on the 1 hour time frame. Now price broke below it. Price broke below, right? And as you can see, this is a kind of a retest also on the 1 hour time frame. All right, so there is a resistance here that needs to be marked out. There is a resistance here on the 1 hour time frame. So there is a resistance here, and also the reason why I took this entry is that I'll be stepping down to the 30-minute time frame. So here on the 30-minute time frame, you can see that there is a support area here. There is a support and resistance zone around this area, right? So you can see that when price was going for the retest, it found resistance here, right? It was bounced back. So this support here was tested multiple times. All right, so I knew that since it was happening from the higher time frame, there's going to be a little bit of reaction, right? Which means that if price is to come down to this area, there's going to be a little bounce to the upside, right? So I decided to take advantage of this. All right, I took advantage, and that's why I took this buy. All right, so hopefully price will get to this TP area, but I'm doubting that movement right now. All right, because the overall trend is a sell trade, right? So this trade is a very risky one, so there's every possibility that it's still going to reverse, right? And also trusting the movement from the 1 hour time frame, right? This is a very strong zone, so I still believe it's going to get to my area of target. And also, so this is the plan of action. So if price can get to this area of target, then this profit will be mine. But if it fails, then I'll be expecting a sell from this area here, this area of resistance. All right, so I'm just buying to sell, right? I'm buying to sell. So if it gets to this area, I'll be selling, and if it fails, right, if it fails, I'll be waiting for it to like break below this support and resistance zone here. All right, so once price can break and close below this area, all right, so if, let me mark it out, if price can just break below this retest, then I can sell, I can continue the sell to the other side. All right, so you can see that either way I'm still in the market with this method, right? So this is how I've planned to ride the trend. All right, so apart from this area, there is still a support area here that needs to be considered, right? But all is still the same. All right, I'm still on the right track. All right, so whichever way price is playing out today, I will still be able to get some entries in the market. All right, so quickly I just decided to share this with you guys. All right, so hopefully someone out there is going to learn one or two things from this short video. Okay, so if you're a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy or an educational video like this, you get notified immediately. Okay, I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Please don't forget to join the Telegram channel. All right, it's for your own good. All right, I drop free signals there on daily basis, free signal that will help you grow your small account even while you are still learning. All right, so make sure to join us. All right, and your life will never remain the same. Okay, I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. See you out.